Hello everyone, I'm Kağan. Today I will present you my code which uses artificial neural network for a dynamic multi-output search interface. So how does it work is basically imagine there is an interface. When you write your text there, the ANN method tries to understand which tabs would be suitable for you for your search and provides you multiple tabs. So based on your search. And basically, for example, if you need something about some research and like you need some image, some 3D viewer and some explanation maybe, you go deep for each of them. But with this one, when you just directly write what you want, it opens all of them in the different tabs at the same time. So how does the structure go? We have the data in CSV files. We have our ANN methods, multi-layer perception and BERT. We have our feedback mechanism, which helps the ANN to learn. There is some additional logic to fill the gap of the whole search engine, basically, and our interface. So we import the variables, CSV files for the data and the libraries and for the ANN. And there is the functions. We create the data, load them, save them, and the other one. We have our MLP classifier, which trains the neural network, and the other ones converts text and labels into numerical format and so on. So basically, there's a positive feedback, negative feedback. Positive feedback gives one, negative feedback gives two to the CSV file. When it's two in the same type of structure text, it doesn't open those type of tabs again. And in the positive one, in the main code, there's a button, and when you click it, the code understands that these tabs are useful for you and trains the system better. And so there is this additional logic. So I put some of these to fill the gaps of the whole code because search engine uh, like you can write anything on there and like there's a huge data. That's why I did this part. And there is this AN and BERT method, our interface and our main code. So there's this search button and close button, which helps the positive feedback. And that's it here in conclusion. And now let me show you my code, my interface. For example, I write at very city Istanbul. It's a question. Since it's a question, we have the answer here. And since we write at Istanbul, we have the map here. So for example, we don't need to date this, right? I click unnecessary for this one and rest is good. And when we write close, every rest of them saved as one and that one saved as two. Let's write the exact same one and we will see that we are not going to see the one that we closed as unnecessary. And for example, let's say not Istanbul, but Ankara. Let's close down first. And okay, and like search again, and it will happen the same because it learns the what type of data you need based on the search. So that's it. Thank you for listening.